Welcome to Windhoek Gymnasium's Lions Den for this tour match by the visiting Falcon College from Zimbabwe, playing against the second team of Windhoek Gymnasium. Curtain raiser for the first teams, also an opening event for both of these teams for their season in the 2025 season, their first action. So yeah, it was Windhoek Gymnasium second team, firstly on the attack, sending it wide there, and eventually a move round off by their number 6 flank, Jandre Burger. He would again score in the second half, but they're putting his team ahead for the first time. The Zimbabweans also made themselves known in this match with some enterprising play. There was another promising move for Windhoek Gymnasium, not rounded off. This was the first try for the Zimbabweans, scored on the left wing, bringing it out towards Kanyisili Chiwara. It was him that escaped there from his direct marker to score there in the corner the first points for Falcon College second team. Strong play there in the midfield by the Zimbabweans. This Windhoek Gymnasium attacking from a quick tap penalty. And also, actually this was a try scored by the flank Jandre Burger. Great. This was still in the first half and converted by... Actually, the first try was converted by the fly-off Matthew Robenheimer to make the halftime score 12 points all. Yeah, so that was teams were level at that stage. Yeah, the Zimbabweans took a quick tap, and their number 3, Andrew Hoots, that crashed over there to put them in the lead, as we saw there. Windhoek Gymnasium also enterprising play. Eventually, it was a penalty awarded here to the second team of Falcon College. There we saw a great escape by Windhoek Gymnasium, a timely intercept. And then eventually, once again, some great work on the defense there by... And this was the last try, again scored by Jandre Burger. A kick through into the in-goal area of the Falcon College players, and rounded off by Windhoek Gymnasium for their try. The kick was unsuccessful unsuccessful by Matthew Robenheimer. Couldn't convert that one. Yeah, a little bit of blood there on treatment by the medical team there on one of the players from Falcon College from Zimbabwe. Both teams were still determined to, and then eventually a great try scored there at the end for them as well. Eventually, the difference made by a penalty in front of the post by Matthew Robenheimer, winning the match for the second team for Windhoek Gymnasium, 20 points to 17 full time. This was a curtain raiser for the first teams. So Falcon College will also go on from here to the coast. They'll also play against at Swakopmund. They'll play against Pro Ed Academy, and then on to Walvis Bay to play against Walvis Bay Private School to conclude their tour. That's all from us. Until next time.